Ah,
Oh,
that's
shit.
hot.
Here we
That's
go
hot.
again.
Hey guys, it's your boy Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we want to talk about the all-in-one $25 digital business, right? So I want to speak on this for a second and talk about how you make money with this program. Now, the goal of this program is to get you to $100,000 within a year if you follow every step. Now, for example, I want to speak on the 3 ways you can make money on this program. First is with the funnel builder. The funnel builder itself is what you will need for every business, right? It costs $25 a month. And there's no weird stuff like you're gonna have this many contacts or whatever, or only this amount of people can see you like on ClickFunnels, right? It's just straight up $25. You can make as many funnels you want for $25. Very easy to make funnels with it as well. I want to speak on that, right? You also get emails and all of that when you purchase the all-in-one $25 business. So you got the emails done for you. All you gotta do is set it up, right? Okay, so that's your first way of making income with the funnel builder. The second one is this one here. Now this one is $125 a month. Now what this is teaching you how to make massive traffic. It's constantly updated. Multiple people come in and talk to you, and you want to ask certain questions. You can ask certain questions and stuff like that. A bunch of people connected at one time. We have webinars and seminars about how to make money and stuff. If you have questions, you can ask personal people who have who's making a ton of money in this system, right? You can ask them all questions whenever you want, right? And you can start and have it for free for 2 weeks, right? You can have it for free for 2 weeks, and then after the 2 weeks, you pay the $125. Now this is your second way to making money on income, because every time somebody signs in, you'll get $100 of that. Now understand something when I say this. You need the program in order to make money off of the program. For example, the funnel builder here. Say you cancel your funnel builder or whatever it is you want to do, right? You would not, and somebody under your affiliate buys the program, you would not receive that income. So you gotta have these programs. That's what I'm trying to say now. Now you have this program for 2 weeks. Say you get 2 people in it within 2 weeks. It's basically free money at that point. So you might as well sign up for it. You know, keep it on you and pay the $125 a month. That's what I'm trying to say. If you don't have it, you can't make money off it. Basically, is what I'm trying to tell you. Now there's one more other program. It's called Financial Literacy, right? Now what Financial Literacy is a program in which it teaches you how to make, how to make the best, how to write your taxes and stuff like that, how to keep a lot of your money that you're making when you sign into the program. All right, so first, when you sign into the program, when you click through here, you click all of these things, what you want and all that, right? You say, give me immediate access. What you'll soon rely to is financial literacy. And it'll tell you all about financial literacy, right? Now, the product costs $500 at first. First 3 days is $500. You got 3 days to purchase it for $500. I did that. I went on and did it because I decided to dedicate to this program. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I decided to do. All right. 3 days, $500. Now, if you do not purchase this item within 3 days, it will go to its normal price, which is $1,000. All right. Now, like I stated before, you need to have the program in order to make money off of it. So if somebody under you purchased this for $500, you get $400, because all of it's 80% commissions, guys. I want to make sure I clarify that as well. All of it is 80% commissions. Now, here's the thing. Say you do not buy it within them 3 days, then it's $1,000, and somebody under you go ahead and pay $400 for it, $500 for it. That $400 you would have got for it is automatically gone. You don't get that because you didn't purchase it. Or say, and you decide I want to buy it later. You'll know when somebody purchased that under you. They'll send you an email. Say you want to buy it later, right? It's gonna cost you $1,000 now. So that's why I recommend going ahead and getting it if you're serious about this program. You seriously want to make some income here and build it up. Go ahead and get everything in it. All right. So that's three ways you make money online with it, right? And you gotta have the product in order to make money with the product. If somebody buys something and you do not have the product, the $25 funnel builder, the $125 traffic training, or the $500, or the $500 taxes and stuff, financial literacy program. If you don't have them, you would not make money off of it. And now you have to pay $1,000, which would be $800. No, for me, if you gotta pay $1,000, let's run another thing. I bought it for $500, right? Let's say you don't buy it for $500 for the 3 days, and somebody under you buy it for $500. You would not get that until you pay that $1,000, right? You pay that $1,000 for the program. You gotta pay the $1,000 for the program, which still isn't a bad deal, to be fair. But you could have only had paid $500. Now you don't pay that $1,000. I will get $800 from that purchase. You see what I'm saying? I'll get $800 from that purchase because I paid $500 in the first 3 days. So you see how that works? So even though I only paid $500 for the program, I made $800 when you bought it because you didn't pay $500 for the program at the beginning. So that's what I'm trying to focus on, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys all about how your money works and how you make money with this program. You gotta have the program in order to make money off of it. I think that's the third thing, and I made sure to teach you guys that because I think the third thing, the financial literacy, I haven't spoke on it yet because most people don't tend to have that type of money. So I didn't spoke on it, but I want to show you guys how financially impressive or financially helpful it is to have it right away if you can afford it. So those are the 3 ways you can make money with All-in-One Digital Business. Yo, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit notification bell, to get these videos coming through and through. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.